Hi friends, today I come to you with another new tips and tricks which is useful for developers especially, and also anybody who is interested to present their ideas to some other people in a positive and powerful way. This is none other than Koggle.it. There is a new website there and you can log in and get a free subscription as I have done, and they limit you to private diagrams, as you can see, 2 to 3. They limit you to private diagrams. I'll zoom in. 2 of 3, maximum 3 private diagrams are allowed. So that is not an issue because I'll show you how you can continue to use these 3 private diagrams at least for some time till you want to get a new features where you can get the subscription plans of Koggle.it. So let me go to the next tab where I have opened this particular 2 pets diagram, and I am presenting to my site owners what I have done so far. As you can see, list products and services in the 2 pets, then customer login, customer logout. I have done the cart, I have checked out, search by category, and as well as search by name or description. Once you have the category, search by name or description after you list the products and services, and also we can have detailed list of product and services. So let's go to the next tab. You can see MySQL database. So I'll zoom out a bit. You can see there is a backend server which is Laravel. Admin and store owners can go in, and there is a front-end server which is connected through React to the customers, and finally front-end server also connects to the same database. So this is the conceptual layout of the database and the servers and interactions with React. So you see how nicely I have presented. So hope you can use this idea to go to Koggle.it and then get your free subscription. Later on, if you want, you can go for the paid plans. So this is another good tips and tricks I give to you for your conceptual mind-blowing diagrams. And believe me, if you are showing to your customers this type of mind-blowing diagrams, they are really going to appreciate you and you are going to get lot of works. So wish you all the best in your careers and paths. Thank you, and signing off. This is Penang web developer Kumar. Bye bye and have a good day.